Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that why and how you should not give up on your dreams. So let's get into the video. Why would someone not do what they really want to do? Like why they don't do things that may help them to achieve their dreams? Like the real barrier between you and your dreams is you, your bad habits, your comfort zone. And to reach your dreams, you better leave your comfort zone and change your habits. You only achieve your dreams when you want that dream to happen in reality so badly. You work so hard for your dream. You do everything. Always try, always give your best, and always give one more attempt. Never give up. Like you feel so tired, you feel like nothing is happening. I'm doing everything that I can do, but nothing is happening. And at that moment, you give up. But what if at that moment you are only one step away from your dream? That is the power of not giving up, because you don't know how far you have come and how close you are to your dreams. So, this is why you should never give up. Always try, always try, always try, always give one more chance, always take one step ahead. Most people don't fail because they are incapable, they fail because they stop trying. They get tired, they get bored, they are not satisfied with the result. People, humans really don't know their limitations. They can do anything, but when the result doesn't come out like as we wanted, when we got so much you know tired and angry, like I did everything, I tried so much and this is not working out, I'm not doing this. At that moment you need to stay calm and tell yourself, it's okay. I'm gonna give it one more shot no matter what. I'm gonna do this no matter what. Achieving your dreams is not easy. It takes a lot of patience, a lots of time, a lots of hard work. There will be days when you will feel so exhausted, when nobody believes in you, but in those days you should be the one who believe in yourself. I'm exhausted, that's okay. A little more, but I'm gonna do that. I feel very energetic. I'm gonna do way much better than I did yesterday, right? In those moments, you tell yourself that no matter what the circumstances are, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do it. I won't let this negativity stop me. I'm gonna make it no matter what. Every successful person that you admire the most, look into their life deeply. They have faced so many rejections, so many failures, so many setbacks, but the only reason they are successful is because they didn't stop. They took that one step. When they were not happy with the result, they didn't stop, they kept going. And you think that I'm gonna make it, but when everything will be so comfortable, I can't out of my comfort zone. I can do it, but I really don't want to because the situation is not really good to me. And I will do when everything will be so good. I will be so comfortable when I will be in mood. Like when will be you are in the mood to do to achieve your dreams? When? This is the time. This is the time. You have to do it right now. And my baby is telling the same thing. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will come back tomorrow with something new, something more great. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.